TikTok watchers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be installing the new sport style mirrors on my truck. In one of my last videos, I did say in the 6 things I hate about my truck that I was going to be replacing these mirrors soon, and they finally just arrived. So check them out. I think these mirrors are going to be a lot nicer. They're going to give my truck a lot more sportier of a look versus these. So I do not like riding with these because I don't like how big they are. I don't like how square they are. And when people walk by, when they come over, because there's not much room to walk in here, because I usually have my town car parked in the front. People just come by and they hit it, and then they'll come back and put it back, and you know, obviously that's not right. So usually when I'm driving to work, both of my mirrors are not right. So I'm hoping that I do not have that problem anymore once I install these mirrors. They move, but you should be able to put them back into place pretty easy. So let's get started. I do not know exactly how to remove this door panel. I was just taking a look at it right now, and it should just be the 2 screws there, and the rest should just be all clipped. So I'm gonna set the GoPro up and I'm gonna get to work. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I'm back with an update. So I just barely finished the driver's side, and it does make a big difference. Check it out. It just gives it a more sportier look versus the passenger side, which I haven't done yet. Staying with the original mirror, and then once again the sports style mirror. So it was pretty simple once you get this door panel off. This is the little cover that I was talking about. It just slides right in. But you do just have a nut there and 2 more right on the other side. I don't know if you can see it. I haven't got that nut just on yet. I was just test fitting it. But man, it does give it a lot sportier look. I definitely am liking these mirrors. So I'll give you another update once both sides are finished, and then we can definitely see how it's gonna look. Hey, so what's up, guys? So I finally got the mirrors installed. I will say I am loving the way that these mirrors look. It does give the truck a more sportier look. It does make the truck look just a little bit newer. Even on this side as well, I got this finished up. One of the things that I did want to mention is that I didn't notice this at first, but when you're pulling off the door panel, these pull off separately. They don't stay with the door panel. So these have 6 clips, 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. Once you work your way out, this side should pop itself out, and then you should be able to pull that out. You don't need to worry about this. I didn't need to take that off. I just needed to be able to move it enough just to get the 3 nuts on this side, and that was it. But let me know what you guys think of the new mirrors. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with an update on the truck. After installing the mirrors, I just ran the truck to a car wash, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Bam, there she is in the daytime. Those mirrors definitely made a big difference on the way the truck looks now. Installing the new mirrors on this truck was something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I just haven't. But man, I'm definitely glad that I did now. This is exactly 1 full day after installing them. I just ran the truck through a car wash and everything, so these mirrors are pretty nice. You know, they're held in there pretty well. So everything looks sick. The next video that I wanna do is I'm gonna have to finish up the front end. I know I've been lacking on the front end. I said I was gonna do it, but I haven't. But definitely I'm gonna finish up the front end. I'm gonna get a bow tie and I'm gonna spray paint that. I'm also gonna get a bumper filler and I'm gonna spray paint that as well. I wanna get started on the body work with this truck already. I wanna pull off the door panel. I don't have the door panel clipped in because I broke the clips and I just haven't reclipped them yet. But while the door panel is still unclipped, I'm thinking I might just take it off and try to bang out those dents and start sanding down the truck all the way down, and then just primer it, get it ready for paint. I think that would at least give it a better of a look, because as you can see right here, you know what I mean, like all the damage that's on the truck is prior to owning it. This was a home farm truck, like I mentioned, but I never really noticed how bad it looked until I really got close. Let me get out. Look, until I really got close, just exposing it. But I want to get it paint and body work taken care of, and hopefully soon we can get that worked out. But stay tuned. The next video is going to be on the town car. I'm installing LEDs everywhere. All the interior lights, the tag lights, everywhere is getting LEDs. I installed the door projectors, but I didn't record that because I wasn't entirely sure on how it was going to be installed. But I'll go over on how I did it. So stay tuned for the next video on the Lincoln. Peace.